Hola, soy Dominique Vibez. I am Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Valencia, Spain. Currently we're on the fast train. And I'm working on some videos right now. Here's the setup. Got a nice table, outlets, armrest. That's the setup. We'll be arriving very shortly. I'll see you then. Approximately 4:20 and we made it to Valencia. Dominique gets plus 10 points because I picked the best Airbnb here, right on La Playa. Bro, this area is so beautiful. It smells like someone's grilling some steak and veggies right now. It smells so good. Oh, hello! It's Dominique Vibez and welcome to Airbnb Cribs. Come on in. Here with a big bed.
Yeah, otherwise
closet, got some extra pillows if you need it. Of course, the full-length mirror, gotta have that. Alright, next we have beautiful living room area. This is equipped with a washer. And today we have a beautiful full moon as well. The vibes are high today.
Cannot get better.
My man was cheesing to the moment he was fried.
Cheesing in the fryer.
Peace, love, and good vibes, y'all. I'll see you on the next adventure.
Darkness, I can't stand the pain.